Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to our third lesson of Quran learning the easy way at Al-Noor channel. Today we are going to be tackling 4 letters. They look very similar, at the same time they are pretty easy to write. Today we will be focusing on the differences of the sounds. So what I'm going to do is to pronounce the right and wrong pronunciation so that you can make the difference between right and wrong sounds. The shape of the first letter is like this. It resembles the shape of the mouth. Oh, can you guess this letter? What? Yes, the name of this letter is Dal. Say it with me. Dal. Dal. So what you have to do is tap your tip of your tongue behind the top front teeth and produce dal. Dal. Have you observed this? It is the same place where ta was produced. So both of these letters have the same place. Ta. Dal. Ta. Dal. Let's take a step forward and try some examples. Can you say abadan? Abadan. Say it with me. Abadan. Another example is do. Do. Say it with me. Do. So let's try the name of our first prophet, Adam. 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 As we said earlier that we will produce the incorrect sounds as well to see the difference between right and wrong pronunciations. So as you see in English language, if someone's name is Adam, you pronounce as Adam, duh, which is wrong. In Arabic, you will pronounce Adam, Adama, Adama. Can you say it with me? Adam, Adam. Very good. So what you have to do is you will touch the tip of your tongue at the back of your front teeth to produce dal. 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 Can you say it with me? Dal. Dal. Very good. Now let's say the name of our last prophet, Muhammad. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Can you say it with me? Muhammad. Muhammad. Very good. The next letter doesn't necessarily exist in the English language. So the shape of this letter is like dal, but it has dot on the top. So the name of this letter is Zal. Zal. Say it with me. Zal. Zal. It has same pronunciation like the fourth letter which we have discussed in our first letter, Tha. Tha. They both have same points of sound to produce a sound. Tha. Tha. Zal. Tha. So what you have to do is bring your tongue out of your mouth at the same spot right here at the edge to produce Zal. Zal. Tha. Zal. Your tongue should be out of your mouth. Like this. Like this. Zal. Zal. Can you say it with me? Zal. Very good. Let's try the word zipper. 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 Let's try it again. Take your tongue out of your mouth. Rub it back and forth like this and vibrate the sound or vibrate the air coming out of your mouth. Zipper. Zal. Zipper. Zipper. Zal. Zal. The vibration should be coming out of your mouth. Zal. Val. Can you say it with me? Val. Vipper. Val. Very good. Let's try some examples in Arabic. ذكر. 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 The only thing you need to realize is that it's the second sound which doesn't exist in English language. The first one is tha, simple, tha, and the second one is dha, dhal, vipper, dhal, vipper. Make sure that you bring the tip of your tongue out of your mouth, not the middle portion of your tongue, not like this. I saw many children doing this when we say take your tongue out of your mouth. You will do like this. Dhal, dhal, not like this. Not like this. You will do like this. Dhal, dhal, you will take out the tip of your tongue. Dhal, dhal, excellent. Moving towards the next letter, the shape of the next letter is like comma in English. The shape and the sound of this letter is ra, ra, ra. Can you say it with me? Ra, ra. Very good. It's like the roar of the lion. Ra, ra. Don't use your lips to pronounce raw. Some people do like raw, raw. This is incorrect. Pronounce like raw, raw without moving your lips. Raw. Very good. Now, the lot of people don't realize, but they pronounce the raw letter with a certain accent like ra, ra, which is incorrect. It's raw, raw. Make the difference. Ra. So let's try some examples in English. The fish is raw. The fish is raw. Very good. Now say Robert, Robert, Robert. Very good. Now let's try some examples in Arabic. ذكر, ذكر, ذكر. Can you say it with me? ذكر. Very good. I'm sure you have seen that the mouth wasn't using there to make the sound. Like you have to do raw, raw. You have to use your tongue to make the sound. Like raw, raw. Let's try some simple word which you use in everyday life. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Say it with me. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellent. The last and the final letter is like the word buzz in English. It's like the letter. This letter looks like the semicolon in English. Say the word za, 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 buzz, za. Can you say it with me? Za. Let's try some examples. Zakara, zakara, zakara. Say it with me. Zakara, zakara. Let's say some more simpler word. Zakat, zakat. Now you have seen the difference between the vipper and buzz sound. Vipper, buzz. Vipper, buzz. You don't need to take out your tongue in buzz sound. You only have to join your teeth. Buzz. And make it vibrate. Buzz, buzz. Very good. Let's try one more example. Can you say Zakariya, Zakariya, Zakariya? Say it with me. Zakariya, Zakariya. Very good. Zakariya. Zakariya, Hazrat Zakariya was also our prophet and he was the father of Bibi Maryam. I hope that this lesson benefits you. Revise the sounds daily at your home. Record your sounds on the daily basis and make the difference. Either you are pronouncing it right or wrong. Meet in the next lesson. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.